I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to create the IV curves inside Excel. So we have some volts and amps here and some power ratings, which are just the volts times the amps. We're going to select those two columns and go to scatter, pick the one at the top right. That'll give us our amps. Now we want to get volts and power. We select two columns that aren't next to each other by holding the control key down and dragging. And we do insert in the same graph. I want these on one graph, so I'm going to select this curve. I'm going to copy it, select the other graph, and I'm going to paste it. Select this graph, delete it, it's no longer needed. Okay, this is great, except for the scale is off because the power in watts and the amps are such a vastly different scale. So what we want to do is create a secondary scale, and we do that by clicking on the power curve here. Go to Format, Format Selection, and Secondary Axis. So what happened here is it created a secondary axis for the watts and then has the primary axis for the amps. Great, now I got them both on the same chart where they're not one isn't overpowering the other. Now what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up a little bit by creating and editing some titles here. Let's go to Layout, Titles, Primary Horizontal, Title, Primary Vertical, Title, Secondary Vertical, and then let's take that and make it watts. Let's take this one and make it volts on the bottom, and on the left we want amps. And there you go. As an added bonus, I'm going to show you how to take and make a data label. So it looks like 50.4 is our biggest wattage, so we want to select that so it's only highlighted by itself, and then we go add data label. Here we go, 50.4, and Excel's a little finicky about moving stuff, but that's our maximum watts. Okay, that's it. Thanks.